Hey there folks, just a quick one today. Going to be fitting a new screen onto my DR. If you haven't seen my TT2000 video, which I will link up here, I hit a hawk on the way back and smashed my screen to pieces. You see I've still got a piece of the hawk on there. This was a screens for a bike screen and I decided to go for something a bit different. I got this Parabellum screen. This is the Rally fairing screen. It cost me about 200 New Zealand to get it from Adventure Bike Australia, and it should give me a bit more wind protection, hopefully. The screens for bike screen was okay, but just I had a constant whistle in my helmet which I'm trying to get rid of. So anyway, today we're going to be fitting that. It comes with a set of instructions, which is always handy. It's very simple, it's 4 holes and it even gives you a wee template. So I just need to cut that out, drill 4 holes and away we go. So once you get your 4 holes drilled, it's a 6mm hole by the way. I just ran a 6.5 through just to give me a bit of adjustment. So the bolt goes through like this. So it goes bolt, washer, washer, washer on the back, and then an eye lock nut. Now that was seriously fiddly, but that's how it looks. So it's a lot more straight up and down than the screens for bikes one just kind of came up like this. So this is more straight up and down. I just need to nip these up now, just hand tight, and then away we go. Right folks, that's the Parabellum right next to the screens for a bike screen on Danny's bike. That's the exact same screen that I used to have on mine. So you can see there's quite a big, you can't really see it there, but you can see the screens are a lot straighter up and down. A lot more vertical would be the word. And you can see the screens for bikes one does rub on the brake pipe there. So I've just been out for my first road test with the new Parabellum screen on the bike, so I just thought I'd tell you what I think of it. To be honest, not much different than my old screen for bike screen. At speed, I don't really notice any difference in buffeting or noise or anything like that. The whistle in my helmet is still present. Possibly slightly I could tilt my head forward just a fraction less than before, so maybe the air is going slightly higher. But overall not a massive difference. It's very solid at speed, it doesn't jump around in the wind. I think it looks really good. So to be honest, I think it's just down to personal preference. That screens for bike screen was a good screen. I had no issues with it, but I think this was about $10 more expensive, $10 to $15 more. I think this is a better looking screen in my opinion, and I do prefer it. I thought there was going to be a bigger difference because it's more straight up and down. I thought it'd deflect more wind, but not really noticing much difference to be honest. Let's be sitting at just over 100 there. Yeah, not much difference. This was a guide on how to fit and my first ride with the Parabellum screen. Hopefully this lasts very well. Hopefully I don't crash into any more birds. And thanks for watching. I will catch you all in the next one guys. See you later.